Hi everyone! Today I'm going to talk about avocado health benefits and I'm going to make avocado sandwich. Avocado is the fruit of the avocado tree, scientifically known as Persea americana. These days avocado became very popular food among health conscious people. The most popular variety is Hass avocado. It's often called alligator pear because the shape is like an alligator and pear. Here are some most amazing nutrients in 100 grams of serving of avocado. Potassium 14%, vitamin B5 14%, vitamin B6 13%, vitamin E 10%. It also contains small amounts of magnesium, manganese, iron, copper, zinc, phosphorus, vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3. Oh my gosh, it's packed with full nutrients. Avocados do not contain any cholesterol or sodium but loaded with healthy fats. Do you know they contain more potassium than bananas? Yes, it is. Potassium is the most important mineral that most people don't get enough of. Potassium in avocado which support healthy blood pressure levels. We can use avocado oil for our food. Studies shown that eating avocado every day that improve our health very well. Eating avocado can increase the number of antioxidants that may protect our eyes. It may help prevent cancer. Avocado extract may help relieve symptoms of arthritis. Eating avocado may help lose weight. Avocados are easily available, delicious fruit that help incorporate in our diet. Avocados have creamy, rich, fatty texture and blend very well with other ingredients. Using avocados, you can make many delicious recipes. Now I'm going to make avocado sandwich. I hope you're going to love it and I want you to try. Okay, let's go to make avocado sandwich now. For a delicious avocado sandwich, you need an avocado, half of a large onion, chopped, tomato, green chili, sweet corn, black pepper powder, salt, and few drops of lemon juice, bread. First, chop the large onion in tiny pieces. Then chop a medium size of tomato, tiny pieces. Here I have used 5 vine tomatoes for more tasty purpose. Add them in an empty container. Oh, I forgot to add a green chili. I chop a green chili in tiny pieces too. Add here 3 tablespoons of sweet corn. Cut the avocado in long direction. Scoop it to make creamy texture. It is easy to spread in flatbread sandwich. Add salt, black pepper powder, add few drops of lemon juice, Finally, mix them all well. Wow, great taste. Now cut the crusty edge of the bread. Spread the mixture on it. Close it. Cut it as triangle shape. If you need more spicy taste, you can add crushed chili flakes. Now the sandwich is ready. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and support my channel by subscribing. And I'll see you later. Bye. Eat healthy food, boost your immune system, stay healthy, stay blessed.